your marks.
This is heat 11 of event 10. Lane 1, Baron Benz Lewis of Mayon Swim Club. Lane 2, Moron Israel of Red Lava Swim. Lane Mario Elijah of Red Lava Swim Club. Lane 4, Kadag Chad of Legazpi Hydrohawk Swim Club. Lane 5, Gokard Navy of Mayon Swim Club. Lane 6, Samako Mardi of Baby Boy Swim Club. Lane 7, Verdiflor Mark of Albay Blue Marlin Swim Squad. And Lane 8, Mora Steven of Albay Red Orca Swimming Team.
Go kay Mardi! Oh! 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 Oh!
Mardi!
Woo! 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 Ganon pala bumulis. Kailangan ko pagayahin si Coach Vernon.
Bob!
Oh!
Hey!
Oh!